question, find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. What is the fourth question? Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Next we have to discuss the first problem for the fourth bit. What is the question? P of x is equals to x plus 5. Now we have to discuss how to find the zero of the polynomial. In the solution part, next we have to start the solution. In the solution part, the first we have to write down as it is the question. What is the question? P of x. P of x is equals to x plus 5 as it is. P of x is equals to x plus 5. Okay, what we are going to find here? Zero of the polynomial. Means for specific value of the x, for the constant value of the x, P of x is become 0. P of x is equals to 0 is the zero of a polynomial. What is the zero of a polynomial? P of x is equals to 0 is obtained now. That one is the zero of a polynomial. What is the P of x already? X plus 5. P of x is taken from the question. P of x value is what? X plus 5. Okay. Is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. What is the next step? Simplification. We want x is equals to solution. Okay. Plus 5% in RHS. X is equals to plus is become minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 is the zero of a polynomial. X is equals to minus 5. For P of x is equals to x plus 5 is there now. For this question, this particular problem, what is the zero of a polynomial? X is equals to minus 5 is the what? Zero of a polynomial. Are you understood? I hope you understood this one. Okay. Second question, P of x is equals to x minus 5. P of x is equals to, write down in the solution, P of x is equals to x minus 5. In the next step, P of x is equals to 0. What is this? Is the zero of a polynomial. P of x is equals to 0 is the zero of a polynomial. Means P of x value is what? X minus 5 is equals to 0. Minus 5 to send that side. X is equals to 5 is the zero of a polynomial. X is equals to 5 is the zero of a polynomial for the question P of x is equals to x minus 5. I hope you understood this one. The third question is P of x is equals to 2x plus 5. What we have to do? We have to find the zero of the polynomial. Solution step. Solution. Okay. What we have to do? Write down the question as it is. P of x is equals to 2x plus 5 as it is. In the next step, yes, you know, P of x is equals to what we have to take here? 0. Is the what? Is the zero of a polynomial. Means for the specific value of the x, P of x is becomes to 0. What is that x value? We have to find. Okay, P of x is what? 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. The plus 5 to send RHS. What it becomes? Only 2x is remains. 2x is equals to minus 5. We want x is equals to, here what we have to find? X is equals to means 2x is there. 2 to send this side, cross multiply. Then x is equals to what it becomes? X is equals to minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 5 divided by 2 means this is x is equals to minus 5 by 2 is the zero of a polynomial. Is the zero of a polynomial for P of x is equals to 2x plus 5. Okay, I hope you understood. P of x equals to 3x minus 2. What is the fourth question? P of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Solution step. Solution. Okay, what is the solution? Write down as it is. P of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Okay. What is the next step? P of x is equals to 0. Consider P of x is equals to 0. What we have to write the sentence? Is the 0 of a polynomial. Is the 0 of a polynomial. Yes. The next step, P of x value consider from the question. What is P of x? 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Next, send the constant number to first that side. Okay. Then 3x is equals to minus 2 is become plus 2. Okay. Then next step, x is equals to means this 3 cross multiplied 2 divided by 3 is the 0 of a polynomial. Is the 0 of a polynomial. Very simple problems are there, students. I think these other problems are very simple. If I want to explain remaining problems without sin, you have to do it. Okay. I hope you understood this one. See the students, fifth question, P of x is equals to 3x. In the solution step, P of x is equals to 3x. As it is, we have to write down. Afterwards, P of x is equals to 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. It is a common step for each problem. Afterwards, what we have to do? The P of x value from the question we have to take it is P of x value is what? 3x is equals to 0. What is the next step? It is a 3 into is there. 3 to send this side means cross multiply. X is equals to 0 by 3. X is equals to 0 by 3. Here one of the concept we have to know the students, any number it divides by the 0. 0 by any number. 0 by any number is there. That value is always equals to 0. Okay, this is a concept is very important. 0 by any number is equals to 0 only. Then x is equals to what it is obtained? 0. If x is equals to 0, you are obtained. P of 0 is equals to 3 into 0 is 0. Means the value will becomes 0. Okay. Is the 0 of a polynomial. Any real number, but you have to take any, it may be whatever may be the a value will become, that is not equals to 0. You don't take a 0. If you have taken a 0, the entire the polynomial becomes 0. Means left to 0, whatever may be the a, it is supposed to consider it is. Okay. How to solve? Same step. Solution. Okay. Solution. P of x is equals to ax as it is. The next step is what? P of x is equals to 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Okay. Next step, P of x value. Right from the question. What is the question? Ax. Ax is equals to 0. Next step, we want x is equals to. Yes or no? We want x is equals to. What is their coefficient? A is there. Instead of a is 2 is there, means what we are doing? Cross multiplying. 0 by 2. Like that only we have to do here, students. Okay. X is equals to 0 by a. A is our numerical value, but it is given in a coefficient as an algebraic term. Okay. 0 by any number, it may be a, it may be 100, it may be whatever may be number of the here denominator. 0 by any number is there, that number is what? Already I said, yes, that is a 0. X is equals to what? 0. It is. Is the 0 of a polynomial. If x is equals to 0, if you are substituted in the given polynomial, then P of 0 is equals to a into 0. A into 0 is 0. P of 0 is equals to 0. That's why x is equals to 0 is the what? 0 of a polynomial. I hope you understood this one. Okay. Seventh problem for the fourth bit question. What is P of x is equals to Cx plus D? See, here C and D are the any real number, but C is not equals to 0. It is a condition. C is not equals to 0. C and D are the any real number. Any real number means whatever we mean. But except C12, the condition is there, not equals to 0. Solution part. Solution. In the first step, write down the question as it is. What is the question? P of x is equals to Cx plus D. P of x is equals to Cx plus D. Okay, next step. P of x is equals to 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Okay. P of x is equals to 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. Next step, P of x value is Cx plus D is equals to 0. Okay, what is the next step? Send D to RHS. What is the sign of the D? Plus. Plus, if the plus one term, if I send it one side to another side, what will be happens? Side will be changed, means sign will be changed. Okay, plus D becomes minus D. Cx is equals to minus D. Then this C coefficient of x is there, sent to RHS means cross multiply. Then x is equals to what it becomes? Minus D by C. X is equals to minus D by C. X is equals to minus D by C is what? 0 of a polynomial. X is equals to minus D by C. If you are minus D by C substituted in this equation, P of x is equals to Cx plus D is a polynomial is given. No? In that one x value is minus D by C. If you are put it, see here, C into minus D by C. C1 get cancelled. What means? Minus D. Minus D plus D. Minus D plus D cancel, it becomes 0. For what the values this polynomial becomes 0, x is equals to minus D by C. I hope you understood. Next very important concept, that is a remainder theorem. This is a theorem, very wide application, is a very important application in the algebra. Remainder theorems using we can find its remainders. Means how to find the remainder is without actual division. Without doing the actual division, we can find the remainder. Means this is a very important application theorem. What is the remainder theorem according to that one? Okay, let's we have to see in the next remainder theorem. P of x be the any polynomial. P of x be the any polynomial which divides a linear polynomial. P of x be the any polynomial which divides a linear polynomial x minus a. Suppose x minus a, linear polynomial which one? X minus a is the any polynomial which divides a linear polynomial x minus a. X minus a is a linear form. Okay, its the degree of the polynomial is 1 only, x minus a. Then P of a is called. Then P of a is called remainder. P of a is called as what is remainder. Okay, if P of x to any polynomial which divides that one to the linear polynomial x minus a, P of a is called as a remainder. This is the remainder theorem. Suppose if it is in the case of P of x be the any polynomial, P of x be the any polynomial which divides the linear polynomial of x minus a instead of x plus a. What is a linear polynomial? X plus a. P of x be the any polynomial which divides the linear polynomial of x plus a. Then what is the remainder here? Then its remainder is P of minus a. Then its remainder is what? P of minus a. Suppose P of x be the any polynomial which divides the remainder of which divides the linear polynomial of ax minus b. What is it divides? Ax minus b. Then what is the remainder? P of, check it is P of, okay, see here, x minus ax minus b. Ax minus b is a linear polynomial, no? Minus b to send that side, plus b. A to cross multiply, b by a. Then P of b by a. Then P of b by a is what? Remainder. P of b by a is the remainder. Suppose P of x be the any polynomial, which divides the linear polynomial of ax plus b. Linear polynomial of ax plus b. Then what is the remainder? Then the remainder is P of minus b by a is the remainder. These are the suppose the conditions of the remainder theorem. Okay, it's all the meaning is same only. The P of x be the any polynomial which want to divide the linear polynomial. Then P of a is a constant number. P of a is the what? Remainder. This is called as a remainder theorem. Means suppose one of the problem example, we have to see that one of the example, P of x is equals to x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x, which divides what is that one? X plus 2, which divides the x plus 2. What is its remainder of this one? If P of x is equals to x square minus 3x2 divided by x plus 2, what is the remainder? Don't do the actual division. If doing the actual division, finding the remainder in quotient is one method. But application of the remainder theorem is what? Without doing the actual division, we can find the remainder. Okay. According to the remainder theorem, P of x is equals to what is the given? It is x square minus 3x. Okay. Here, the given thing is what? X plus 2 is equals to 0 is the remainder theorem. Is the remainder. According to the remainder theorem, x plus 2 is equals to 0 is the remainder theorem. This is the step of the problem solution. The next step is what is? X is equals to minus 2. X is equals to what is the? Minus 2. Take the x is equals to minus 2, substitute in the question. What is the question? P of x in the place of x minus 2. P of minus 2 is equals to RHS, substitute minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2. Okay. P of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2. You know, negative square or positive square, the square of any integer, it may be the positive or negative, always positive only. Okay, minus 2 square become plus 4. Okay, now we are first to multiply the sign. Minus into minus is becomes plus. Okay, next 3 2s are 6 is equals to what? 10 is equals to 10. P of minus 2 is equals to 10. Here 10 is the remainder. After doing the division with the help of the x plus 2 to the x square minus 3x, then the remainder will be obtained 10x. Let us see it is true or not. We have to do the one actual division. Check it is. Okay. Verification step. Take the given polynomial x square minus 3x, which divides what? Linear polynomial x plus 2. Okay. Try to make the first term is 0. For that the purpose, what we should multiply to the x? X into what? X into what is x square? X into x. X into x is x square. Plus into plus 2 into x is 2x. Okay. In the divisions, we have to change the denominator. Means below term is there now. That one terms we have to change the sign. Minus plus become minus. Okay. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Now minus 3x minus 2x. Minus 3x minus 2x. What it becomes? Minus 5x. Okay, now check the degree of this one. 1. Its degree is 1. Now we should continue the division. What is the first term here now? Minus 5x. To make this one to 0, what we should multiply to the x? X to multiply minus 5. X into minus 5 minus 5x. X into minus 5 minus 5x. Next, plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus 2 5s are 10. Now what is the step? Change the sign of the below term. Okay. Minus become plus. Minus become plus. Minus 5x plus 5x get cancelled 0. Okay. Plus 10. What is the remainder? Plus 10. See, by doing the actual division we are finding the remainder. Without doing the actual division we are finding the remainder theorem. This is the application of the remainder theorem. I hope you understood this one.